Raobat. In this video, I wanted to share something I figured is pretty useful. So we already covered zooming in and out to get to smaller areas that you want to edit that would otherwise be harder to get to. So what I just found out is if you put this viewing stick, well, wherever you put this viewing stick, when you go to zoom in or out, the clip will stay exactly where the stick is. So you see how my two images, let me bring this one a little closer. That little black line, those are my two images, and of course it's super small. If I kind of just had this viewing stick anywhere else but, and then zoomed in, I would lose the part that I wanted to get to. But if I move the viewing stick right on top of the small area that I want to get to and then zoom in, it'll stretch it out in that very exact spot. So I thought that was a pretty neat tip, and I wanted to share that, which should make editing videos that much easier. Alright, see you in the next part.